Traders, I just want to make a quick video today to show you how to create a screener on Webull app. So has been a question that has been asked of me several times. We have screeners from FinViz that we use on a regular basis, but for some people who are mobile and maybe who cannot access FinViz, even though FinViz actually, though it doesn't have an app, it actually, to the website, you can actually create your screener in the same way. Today, we're creating screeners for Webull. So finding stock on Webull, we have to come on here and decide that we want to search for stock to trade. If you are, for instance, creating a screener on Webull for day trading, for instance, you can come here under top gainers and you will be able to see, let's say in pre-market, for instance, I am able to see all of the stock that are currently moving up in here bullishly. So if I click on pre-market, I toggle it, I can see all of the ones that are moving the most bearishly. So this is on the morning of October the 29th to close the month of October here in 2021. So now the advantage of this is you can do this when the market is open, let's say for just the 5-minute interval, yeah, or just one day as well, the timeline on here. So for swing traders, for instance, this is a possibility as well. I can decide that, hey, I want to take a swing trade if, let's say, a stock has shown me either bullish or bearish momentum over the past week. Yeah, so we can see stock that have been on the run recently. Mark on here, Remark Holding, and BKKT is another one. So conversely, again, if I click under to toggle it between bullish and bearish, yes, because it said top gainers, but it's not just gainers, right? Actually, it should be called top movers. So now this is just for this option of top gainers. So right, how to find stock that are moving. Ready? Let's go into the screener proper and do this. So I'm going to click here and create a screener from scratch. I've already created a screener here for penny stocks, $2 to $10. That's relatively simple. Here is another screener that I've created on here for EMA, moving average 5 over moving average 10. But let me create a brand new screener here. So you click on screener. My region, I want United States stocks. The exchange, you can pick the exchange here. If you leave it blank, it's going to take all of them. So if you want to focus on tech stock, you will click on NASDAQ. If you want to do the greater stock market, New York Stock Exchange, American Stock Exchange. So really here doesn't matter. I save, fine. The sector. So now you have all of this sector here, meaning industry, if you will, right? You can decide that, hey, I want to create a Webull screener for just telecommunication services, if you want to. Yeah, it can definitely give you results on there. Or for instance, on here you can come just for retailers. So company like well, Amazon is retailer, yeah, but let's say I'm thinking like CVS, Target, and so forth. Then industrial, automobile, yeah, auto is something that has been moving recently. But if you want all of them, your condition for all of them, that's fine. You don't select anything, you just say save. It will scan through all of the sectors. Now the quote indicator, obviously the price range, that's the first thing that regardless of the screener that you want to select that. So here I can either use the slider here at the bottom. For me, I always use stock that are over $20, and obviously on the upper end I don't care. The biggest stock, it's which one? Hathaway and the Berkshire. Berkshire is the biggest stock out there. I don't trade it, but hey, no matter, I leave it like this. So above $20, that's what this means here. So then I save the price. In terms of percentage change here, my screener that I want, really, I just want to go do a simple screener for us. So I can say, for instance, that hey, I want the stock with a technical indicator showing me, for instance, the one with the MACD golden cross. So it's telling me here that I have 93 stocks, so I'm happy with that. Let's say if I want any other condition, I can absolutely add it, meaning you can combine, right? So I can say here that, okay, the MACD is crossing, and or I can just say I just want the hottest stock. So the hottest stock are defined by Webull just based on the number of people who are following those, but those will be stock that typically are moving. So really for day trading, for me, either hottest, and then in this case I'm going to be using the MACD golden cross. So in this case it only has 3 stocks, so that's not great enough. So 93 stock here is good for me.